If you are an Etsy seller who doesn't have an email list, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. As a small business owner, your main priority every day should be generating leads, getting those leads to buy, and extending the lifetime value of your customers. And by focusing on both getting leads and customer retention, you will be able to grow a sustainable business for years to come and make predictable income every single month. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you Alura's email marketing feature that will help you build rapport with your customers and also how easy it is to start an email list directly from their dashboard. Let's get started. All right, so here we are in Allora. And if you're currently not using Allora, I highly recommend this tool. It's going to help you scale your Etsy business. If you want to give them a try, I will leave my referral link in the description box below. Now, in addition to that, if you feel like you're confused about email marketing, you're like, it's still confusing to me even after this quick tutorial, I do have a free email course that you could take that goes in depth about email marketing. It's a mini course that I created. So if you are interested, comment the word email below and I will send you more information to get the course. Now, when you log in to your account, you want to go ahead and go to the menu bar and you're going to go to marketing and then you're going to click and it's going to show up email. Go ahead and click on email. And this page is going to open up for you. Now, the main page, this is an example. This is going to be your dashboard. This is where you see how many emails you have sent, how many subscribers you have. And then here you're going to see like a graph over time of your subscribers and the emails. Now, when you scroll down, this is where you see most recent activities. And this is where you see if your emails were delivered. And then down here, you'll see any popular campaigns that you're currently running. Now, in the second tab is the campaigns. This is where you will see any emails or any email sequences, right, that you currently have. Now, they do have one here for you automatically, which is the welcome email to new subscribers that you could use. Obviously, you could go inside of it and edit and make it more personalized if you like. And then subscribers is where you will see eventually how many subscribers are in your email list. And this is where you will go to fix your heading, your text of the landing page that people see when they actually subscribe to your email. And then down here, you will see a list once you have this active of your subscribers. Now, the reason why I don't have this activated on my Etsy store is because I already use ConvertKit. But for most people, they have found that using Alura's email marketing has been a lot easier to grow their email list and a lot easier to manage than learning a whole new program. So just keep that in mind that this will be a lot easier for you, especially if you are in the beginning stages and you feel like it's too complicated. This is going to be the easiest way. Now, settings is where you will go to change like your name, your actual physical address of your store. So I won't click here because it does have my private information, but keep in mind that whatever email you use, or excuse me, whatever email and also whatever address you use for your Etsy store is what customers are going to see. So you definitely do want to have like a PO box and you want to set it up here in the settings section. So let's go back to campaigns. So the campaigns basically are emails that you send out. So this one is for new subscribers, and this will automatically be sent out to every new subscriber that joins your list. So let's go ahead and take a look at this so you have an idea of how it looks. So right here will give you the stats of this particular email sequence. So how many emails were sent, how many people actually opened it, how many people clicked, and how many people bounced. Meaning if you have a wrong email address, it will say bounce here. And here is where you're able to go ahead and change this or edit this to personalize it. I like this where it says welcome Jane because it has their first name. It will intrigue somebody to open that email. So I do like the subject line here. And then the preview text, which is right next to the subject line, is thank you for signing up for my newsletter. I do like that combination. It's really great. Now here is where you're able to come in here and you're able to edit this if you want to. And in the bottom, what's really nice about it is that you could have some of your best sellers as well. And this is a great way to introduce to your customers, like say, hey, thank you for subscribing, but here's some best sellers as well. This definitely is going to help you obviously increase your sales. So if you want to edit this, you could just click on edit, and it's going to go ahead and let you edit everything in the screen from the name, right? So if you click here, let's say you didn't want the name, you could take it off, but I personally recommend personalizing your emails. So if you click on this little thunder, you could put here their name, or you could put there the day of the week. I personally would put the name. And then here, you're able to customize this. As you can see, it says, thank you for signing up for my newsletter. My name is, and then it'll put automatically your name. And I'm the shop owner. It will put your shop name there. And in the future, I will be keeping you updated on all things and then your shop name. In the meantime, feel free to check out some of our best-selling products. Thanks again for subscribing, sincerely. And this is something that you could edit. You could add more to it if you want. You could take away from it. And then down here, automatically, it's going to put your best sellers. You could add to this section if you want by clicking here. You could add text at the bottom. You could have a button at the bottom. You could have a divider. You could put an image at the bottom. Maybe you could put like a picture of you, like Meet the Maker, right? But this is really neat because you're able to customize your email. And as you can see, it's really simple. All you have to do is just click here. If you want to add a button, you click there. Maybe this is a button that takes them to your, I don't know, maybe to something else that you want to promote, like your Instagram. Now, on a welcome email, you might not want to add that in there. But one of the things that I recommend adding is obviously your best sellers, maybe having a text a little bit more like a blur of who you are, what you do, and why they should continue doing business with you. Maybe have a picture of yourself, so it could have some personalized touches. I think those would be really great, especially for a welcome email. But as you can see, it's really simple. You could edit all of this here. And then once you're happy with your welcome email, right, all you have to do is go ahead and click on save. You can also do a send test email if you want to test it out and see how it looks. I always recommend doing a test email on everything that you do, just to make sure the buttons are working, just to make sure that the format looks really nice, just to see what the customer sees as well, right? So you could be more educated on, oh, okay, this is what the customer will get. So it's really, really nice. Once you're happy with it, you just activate it and then just click on activate. And it will give you this little notification that your campaign has been active. And this automatically is going to be sent out to people that join your email list. Now, what's nice about this as well is that you could go ahead and pause at any time that you want by just clicking here and clicking on pause if you want to. But you should have something that is sent out automatically, and this will do it for you. Now, you can also do new campaigns. So you could go in here and create either a regular email, which is just for that day only. So this works really well if it's like Mother's Day or Black Friday, or maybe you're doing like a flash sale or something that is just a one-day thing. The automated one is more of an automation, meaning that it's going to be sent to the customer automatically to them, right? So whether they are a repeat customer, maybe you want to send them another email after their welcome email, right? Right after the next day. That's why you will use this one here. And down here, it already gives you a little examples of Mother's Day, Black Friday offer, deal of the day, Halloween. So it already has some templates that you could play around with, which is going to make your life a lot easier when you're trying to think of like, what type of campaign should I create? And again, you could send one email just for that day, or you could set up an automation email, which is really nice. Now, in the section right here, subscribers, once your customers become subscribers of your email list, this is where you will see your subscribers. It will tell you the amount of subscribers that you have. This is what people see. This is considered like a landing page. This is the opt-in page where customers will go ahead and put their email to sign up. So you could definitely go ahead and change this around, make it more personalized. This is an example of what they put in there, but you could definitely go in here and edit this. You could change this to your branding colors by entering your hex colors here, or you could just pick a color that's closest to your brand. And you could change the secondary color, which is the font color. And as you can see, is just a really easy way to have someone see your landing page and sign up. And it's just really easy to use. This is the subscribers page. So if you ever wanted to share this on social media, let's say on Instagram, and you tell people, hey guys, subscribe to my email, this is the link that you will copy. And this is what you will give to customers. And this is what you could put on your social media, on Facebook, on your link in bio. And people will see this page here. They'll read a little bit more about what they get by subscribing. And then they'll put their name here and then subscribe. Keep in mind, you could change this around. You could say join today to receive 10% off for new customers. You could do anything you want here, but it's really neat how it looks. But this is the link that you will share to grow that email list. So just keep that in mind. But it's really easy to edit. Again, down here is where you will see your customers once they sign up. And again, campaigns is here, where it kind of walks you through the entire process of setting up new campaigns. And then your dashboard is here. And this just gives you an overall snapshot of everything that's going on the back end. But it's that simple, guys. That's how easy it is to set up your email marketing with Allora. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for additional videos like this, and make sure to watch these videos on the screen that will help you grow your Etsy business. Thanks for watching.